Hey guys, this is Ben here from AI Tech Packs, and it's pretty late right now. I'm tired, but me and my team, we've been working really hard on actually rebuilding the entire software behind AI Tech Packs. And the reason why we needed to rebuild, and it's really important that we get this out, is because we feel like we've been letting our customers, you guys, down. So our old version of Tech Pack was super buggy, and it was really hard to use, and there was just like a lot of really small editing bugs here and there, like hundreds of them, that would pretty much make it impossible to make a tech pack. So now I want to show you guys our new tech pack system. So first, you still upload an image, but now when you upload an image, we generate an AI generated flat sketch for you. When our system is done generating a flat sketch, you'll get an image of your flat sketch with the measurement lines already drawn on it. Now, the AI isn't really good at generating the measurement lines, so what we do is that we allow you now to edit the position of the measurement lines. And all you need to do is click and drag, and you can modify the measurement lines however you like in a perfect position. And then when you're done, just click generate. And when you're done generating your tech pack, you'll now see our new UI. And what's important about this new UI is that we displayed a PDF on your right and a tech pack editing system on your left. And why this is super useful and super powerful now is that when you actually edit your tech pack, the PDF changes will reflect live, and you'll be able to see it on the go like this. So yeah, this is stuff I nerd about. This is stuff I really love about the fact that I can like type, edit, save, and then see the changes get reflected right in the PDF has made life way better. And one of my favorite things now is that when I scroll the PDF and I turn the page of the PDF, my tech pack editor actually changes and syncs with the PDF. And this makes it super easy for me to go and review the tech pack and make changes on the fly. We did remove a big feature though, and that feature was editing the tech pack via AI. However, this feature was really buggy, and instead we decided to replace it with this manual review button. And what this manual review button does is when you click on it, it actually sends the tech pack literally to my desk, and I can work on it and help you with the tech pack. So if you don't know what measurements to use or how to best source the right materials for your product, just click the request manual review button and I'll help take care of the rest. Now, we do fully intend to reintroduce the Edit Tech Pack by AI feature. However, you got to give us some time. We just want to make sure there's no bugs making it difficult for you to create tech packs to send to the factory. And finally, we have a working save feature. So any tech pack you make gets saved to your account now. And yeah, saves are pretty important because now you can actually edit your tech pack anytime, save your work, and you can make revisions to your product. So yeah, to be honest with you, before, I wouldn't really recommend our tech packs because it was really buggy, but now I do put